Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of our channel. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to reset PowerPoint to default settings. So without wasting any more time, let's start our today's video. If you want to reset the PowerPoint settings, just go to your PowerPoint and here go to File. Select Options from here. Now go to Customize Ribbon. Here you can see a reset option here. Just click on it and select Reset All Customizations. Press OK and leave this page. There's another way to reset your PowerPoint settings. Just reinstall your PowerPoint, uninstall it and install it from our website or other sources. By doing these stuffs, your PowerPoint settings will set to default. So that's it guys, hope you liked this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye.